Hey guys! Today I will be discussing on the first module in differential equation. That would be the elimination of arbitrary constant. But before we dive in to the examples, we have to understand first what is elimination of arbitrary constant and what is arbitrary constant. Okay? So I have already here the description on the screen. So elimination of arbitrary constant is the process of deriving a differential equation from a relation with arbitrary constant or constants. We also have here arbitrary constant. It is a constant whose value could be anything as long as it does not depend on other variables in an equation or expression. Okay, so we have to eliminate the arbitrary constant from these following relations. Okay, so please take note of the following. First, the order of the derived DE is the same as the number of arbitrary constants. Okay. Second is that the number of times that we will differentiate is the same as the number of arbitrary constant present in our equation. For example, here in equation number 1, we have two arbitrary constant. We have the A and the B. Therefore, this entire equation, we will derive it up to the second derivation. Okay, so let's start. For number 1, that would be y is equals to AE raised to 2x plus BE raised to negative 3x. Okay? Please take note that the derivative of AU is equals to EU DU. Okay? So, our equation consists of, we will be using sum rule here. And please take note that in each equation, sa ilalim ng ating sum rule, is meron tayong multiple constant rule, and then we also have this exponential rule. Okay? Therefore, if we're going to derive this, this would be y prime is equals to, baba natin yung 2, a, e, 2x. Okay? So, our du here, our du is the 2. Okay? And then we just copy the eu, or the e raised to 2x. Same here, that this would be negative 3, b, e raised to negative 3x. Okay? This is the first derivative. But, as I've said earlier, meron tayong dalawang arbitrary constant. It means that we will be deriving this up to the second derivative. Okay? The second derivative, or the y prime prime, is equals to 4 ae raised to 2x minus, or plus, not minus, plus 9b e raised to negative 3x. Okay? So, we will mark this as our equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. And this is our equation number 3. Okay? Equation number 3. Okay. Next is that we will be solving. We are going to solve. Okay? Solve for the value of AE2x by eliminating. So, we are going to eliminate B. Okay? So, the equation that will be used in this would be equation 2 added to equation 3. Okay? Please follow equation 2 plus equation 3. So that would be our equation 2 is y prime is equals to 2ae raised to 2x minus 3b e raised to negative 3x plus our y prime prime is equals to 4ae raised to 2x plus 9b e raised to negative 3x. Okay? Our goal here in this equation is we have to find the value of a e raised to 2x, but we have to eliminate first the b. Okay? But how to eliminate the b? So, para ma-eliminate yung b, we will have to multiply a value to the value na meron na sa b to equal sa value na meron tayo dito sa equation 3 natin. Okay? So, that would be positive 3. So, we will multiply positive 3 on both sides. So, that would be positive 3 times y prime. Okay? Positive 3 times y prime, that would be 3y prime is equals to positive 3 times 2ae2 raised to power of 2x, that would be 6. Okay, that would be 6a e raised to 2x. Okay, then positive 3 times negative 3, that would be negative 9b e raised to negative 3x. Okay, so copy the y prime prime kasi add pa natin to. It's equals to 4a e raised to 2x plus 9b e raised to negative 3x. Okay? So, as you can see, pwede na natin to eliminate. Okay, this will be removed from the equation. So, we will be left with y prime prime plus 3y prime is equals to 10a e raised to 2x. Okay? Divide both sides by 10 to isolate the ae 2x. That would be ae raised to 2x is equals to y prime prime plus 3y prime is divided by 10. So, this is our equation number 4. Okay? Please take note of that because we will be substituting it later to the original equation. Okay? So, this time, nahanap na natin yung ae2x natin. We will be looking now for the value of the be raised to negative 3x. So, solve for be raised to negative 3x by eliminating. Okay? That's eliminating a. Okay? So, we will be using again the formula of equation 2 plus equation 3. Okay? Please take note of that. Equation 2 plus equation 3. So, let's copy here. Our equation 2 is y prime is equals to 2ae raised to 2x minus 3be raised to negative 3x. Okay? Our equation 3 is y prime prime is equals to 4ae raised to 2x plus 9b e raised to negative 3x. Okay? I-eliminate natin yung a, so we have to look for values that we could eliminate the a here. So that would be by multiplying both sides by negative 2. Okay? Negative 2 times y prime, that would be negative 2y prime is equals to negative 2 times 2 times ae raised to the power of 2x. That would be 4, negative 4, ae raised to 2x. So this one, that's positive. Positive 6be raised to negative 3x. Then copy the equation 3, that would be 4a e raised to 2x plus 9b e raised to negative 3x. Okay? Add together, that would be y prime prime minus 2y prime is equals to, so mawawala na to. That would be 15be raised to negative 3x. Divide both sides by 15. Okay, to isolate the be raised to negative 3x. That would be b times e raised to negative 3x is equals to y prime prime minus 2y prime divided by 15. So, this is our equation number 5. Okay? So, what we will be doing next is that we will be substituting, okay? Substitute the value from equation 4 and equation 5 to the arbitrary. Okay. Substitute the value from equation 4 and equation 5 to the ae raised to 2x and be raised to negative 3x of the original equation. Okay? Our original equation, that would be y is equals to ae raised to 2x plus be raised to negative 3x. Okay? So, we will only substitute the value here. Our ae raised to 2x, if we're going to scroll up and look for the value of our ae raised to 2x, that would be y prime prime plus 3y prime divided by 10. Okay? That would be y prime prime plus 3y prime divided by 10 plus our be raised to negative 3x is y prime prime minus 2y prime divided by 15. Okay? Others would do the looking for the GCD. Okay? But for me, it is much easier if we're going to do the butterfly method or what we call the cross multiplication method. Okay? To simplify this equation. Okay, that would be this one, multiply. So, y prime prime plus 3y prime multiplied by 15 plus, okay, this one, That would be y prime prime minus 2y prime times 10. Okay? Divide both sides by multiplying the denominator. That would be 150. Okay, next. Of the y prime, y is equals to, okay, let's simplify the equation, or in the numerator, that would be 5 times y prime prime plus 3y prime times 3 plus y prime prime minus 2y prime times 2. Okay? Divided by 150. Okay, taking ganyan, because if we are going to multiply this dyan sa loob, magiging 15 to, this will become 10. Okay? Okay, let me erase that. Next is we will be dividing this on 50 at 5. So, on 50 divided by 5, that would be 30. Okay, the denominator, the new denominator is 30. Y is equals to, okay, distribute this inside the parentheses. So, that would be 3y prime plus 9y prime plus same here 2 times y prime at 2 times negative 2y prime. That would be 2y prime minus 4y prime divided by 30. Okay? Same terms. That would be this one and this one. Okay? That is y is equals to 5y prime plus 9y prime minus 4y prime. That's positive 5y prime divided by 30. Okay? So, others would directly divide this na lang, 5 sa 30. But let's make it clear to the others na hindi pa masyadong hasa sa ganong method. So, yung gagawin natin dito is ilalabas natin yung 5, which is common siya on both sides of the additional operation. So, pwede natin siyang ilabas. Okay? That will be 5 times y prime plus y prime divided by 30. Next here is we will be dividing 30 at 5. So, this will become 6. Okay? Please follow. That would be y is equals to the y prime plus y prime divided by 6. Okay? We will cross multiply this on the other side. That would be 6y is equals to y prime plus y prime. Then we will transpose 6 to the other side. Transpose, okay? So this will be negative 6y. Therefore, the final answer is 0 is equals to y prime plus y prime minus 6y. So this is the answer in eliminating the arbitrary constant in problem number 1. Y is equals to c sub 1 multiplied to e raised to 2x plus c sub 2 multiplied to e raised to 3x. Okay? So, as you can see, we have two arbitrary constant, the c sub 1 and the c sub 2. Okay? Therefore, we will derive this 2 times. So, we will end up with the second derivation because we have two arbitrary constant. Okay? That would be y prime is equals to 2c sub 1 e raised to 2x. Okay? Plus 3c sub 2 times e raised to 3x. Okay. Next, derive again. Second derivation, that would be y prime is equals to 4c sub 1 e raised to 2x plus 9c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay? So, let's put enable here. That would be equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Okay? Let's now solve. Okay? Solve for c sub 1 e raised to 2x by eliminating c sub 2. Okay? So, we will be using the equation 2 plus equation 3. Okay. Copy equation 1, y sub 1 is equals to 2c sub 1 times e raised to 2x plus 3c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Then y sub 2 is equals to 4c sub 1 e raised to 2x plus 9 c sub 2 e raised to dx, okay? Our goal here is to find the value of c sub 1 e raised to 2x by eliminating c sub 2, okay? For us to eliminate c sub 2, we have to multiply negative 3 in the both sides of the equation. So, that would be negative 3y prime is equals to negative 6 c sub 1 e raised to 2x minus 9 c sub 2 e raised to 3x, okay? Then copy the y prime prime for the second derivative plus 9 c sub 2 e raised to dx, okay? This is addition, okay? So, it means that this, or the c sub 2 is eliminated already in this equation, okay? So, y prime prime minus 3y prime is equals to, okay, negative 6 plus 4, that would be negative 2 c sub 1 e raised to 2x, okay? Then, divide both sides by negative 2 to isolate c sub 1 e raised to 2x. So, the answer is y prime prime minus 3y prime divided by negative 2. So, this is our equation number 4. Okay? Next is, we will solve for c sub 2 e raised to 3x by eliminating c sub 1. Okay? So, we will use again equation number 2 plus equation number 3. Okay. So, equation number 1, that would be 2c sub times c sub 1 times e raised to 2x plus 3c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay? Y prime prime is equals to 4c sub 1 e raised to 2x plus 9c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay? So, our goal here is to eliminate c sub 1. That means we will be multiplying a number that will eliminate the c sub 1. That will be negative 2. Okay? Negative 2 on both sides. That would be negative 2y prime is equals to negative 4 c sub 1 e raised to 2x plus, okay, that's not plus because negative 6c2 e raised to 3x plus y prime prime is equals to 4c sub 1 a raised to 2x plus 9c 2 sub 2 e raised to 3x. That would be y prime prime minus 2y prime is equals to, okay, this is already eliminated. Next is 9 minus 6, that would be 3 c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay, divide both sides by 3 to isolate the c sub 2 e 3x. So, c sub 2 e raised to 3x is equals to y prime prime minus 2y prime divided by 3. Okay, so this is our equation number 5. Okay, so sulat ko lang dito yung c sub 1 natin. Sub 1 e raised to 2x is equals to y prime prime minus 3y prime, y prime prime minus 3y prime divided by negative 2. Okay. Okay, so what we will be we will be doing next is that we will be substituting the values of the c sub 2 e3x and c sub 1 e2x from our original function, original equation, which is c sub 1 a raised to 2x plus c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay? So that would be y is equals to y prime prime minus 3y prime divided by negative 2 plus c sub 2, that would be y prime prime minus 2y prime divided by 3. Okay? Let's use the butterfly method or the cross multiplication. That would be y is equals to, okay, multiply, that will be y prime prime minus 3y prime times 3 plus multiply, that would be y prime prime minus 2y prime times negative 2 divided by Okay, multiply the denominator, that's negative 6. Okay, so what we will be doing here next is that we will be distributing the 3 to the parentheses. Same here then, we will distribute the negative 2 inside the parentheses. Okay, that would be y is equals to 3y prime prime minus 9y prime plus, okay, that's negative 2y prime prime plus 4y prime divided by negative 6. Okay, so you have to find the same terms. That would be this one, 3y prime prime and negative 2y prime prime. Okay, so that would be y prime prime. Next is negative 9y prime at saka 4y prime. So that would be negative 5y prime. Okay, divided by negative 6. Okay, so do the cross multiplication. That would be negative 6y is equals to y prime prime minus 5y prime. Okay, we will do the transposition. With 0 is equals to y prime prime minus 5y prime plus 6y. Okay, so this is the final answer.